This is Code.org. I'm currently working on the CS Accelerated course. I'm on the lesson The Artist. Draw a triangle whose sides are all different colors. Oh, cool. Using the random color option it must be this thing, that picks a different color each time. Hint, you'll have to figure out how far to turn by clicking on the number in the turn block. Oh. All right. So we should only use 4 blocks. We have 2 set up. Although that looks like 3, but okay. Let's hit run. Okay, so right now we're only picking a color. All right, well, I know I need to move forward. Now when I click this, I'm going to move forward 3 times, so it's going to be a giant line. Yep, but we're changing colors, so that's cool. And we're moving forward 3 times because everything in this repeat mouth thing, right, inside this block runs 3 times. So, okay, set color to random. The computer grabs some random color, then we move forward 100. Hit the bottom, go back up. Oh, okay, second time. Set color to random. So again, the computer grabs some color, and that's why it's different right here, and we move forward again. Now to draw a triangle, well, we're going to need to turn. It's not going to be 90, but let's see. Okay, yeah, because that's a right angle. So let's start. I'm honestly just going to try some stuff. And that's what's great about code is you can be wrong all you want. So obviously that is too small or too big. Let's try 90. Oh no. Let's try 160. We already had it at 90. Ah, and that was enough, right at 160. And look at the random colors. Awesome. Let's keep going.